Okay, Taylor's getting ready to color his Easter eggs for the first time, all by himself. Taylor, what colors are there?
What color is this? Here, what if we do this so you can see? What
color is that? Like your shirt.
What color is
What
that?
color?
What color is that?
Green.
Yeah.
Green.
What color is this?
Well.
What color is this?
Blue.
What color is this?
Orange.
What color is this?
Blue. Orange.
That looks orange, doesn't it?
Red.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job with your colors, buddy. Okay, we're gonna get your eggs. Gonna get your eggs.